This is Excel 2016, Lesson 3, Printing with Backstage, setting the print area step by step. I have opened the O3 Contoso Potluck Workbook from the data files of this lesson. Step 1, click in cell A3 and drag to A13. Your selected cell range will be highlighted in gray. Click the File tab and select the Print option. Under Settings, Print Active Sheets is selected. Click for the additional options and select Print Selection. Note when I make this selection the change in the print preview screen. It is now only going to print those cells that I selected. Let's click the Return to Document icon. This print selection was not saved with the file. In order to save it with the file, please follow these instructions. Click Page Layout, Print Area, Set to Print Area. Now when I save my file, that print area will be saved as well. And let's save our workbook. Click File, Save As, navigate to your class folder. The directions indicate that we should add the word solution to the end of the file. And as we know, we must add our last name and first name at the beginning of the file. And we'll save that there in our class folder.